So in this lecture I will discuss about classification of signals. Signal classification, we have different types of signal. So the different types of signals are energy and power signal, even and odd signal, periodic and aperiodic signals, causal and non-causal signal. Okay, these are the different classification of signals. First you need to deal with the energy and power signal. So what is energy signal? What is a power signal? See, this is the definition. A signal x of t is called energy signal if its total energy has a non-zero finite value. That is sheer energy of a signal whose energy lies between 0 and infinite. That means it is having a non-zero finite value. That is energy signal. So a signal is called a power signal. It is also having a non-zero finite value. That is power is from 0 greater than 0 less than infinite. That means the power signal having has a non-zero finite power. Power signal having a power of non-zero finite. So this is the representation of energy signal Ex of t. Energy of the signal is represented by E. X of t is the signal. The energy of the signal X of t is represented by Ex of t equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t to t mod x of t the whole square dt. This is the equation for energy of the signal, and this is the equation for power of the signal. P average is P power, average power normally we are calculating. So P average of x of t is equal to x of t is a signal. How to find out the average power? P average of x of t is nothing but limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t minus t to t mod x of t the whole square dt. So this is the question. By doing a question you will get more clear about this. Find the energy and power of this signal. So what is this signal? X of t is equal to e raised to minus t into u of t. So e raised to minus at, you know how to draw e raised to minus at and e raised to plus at. That I shown in the previous class. You refer that. Okay. So now it is asking about e raised to minus at u of t. Okay, e raised to minus at is actually, you know, it is from like this, it is like this, it is going. Okay. Now it is e raised to minus at u of t. U of t means normally from 0 to infinite. There is no negative value for u of t. So that's why we written on the right side. There is no things here. Why? Because this signal is in connection with the u of t. So we have only positive values. So e raised to minus t u of t is exponentially decaying and it is positive side. That is x of t. And you have to find out, ask you to find out the energy and the power of the signal. How to find out the energy and power? You know the energy of the signal Ex of t is equal to limit t tends to infinite minus t to t mod x of t the whole square dt. So my limit t tends to infinite minus t to t is the range. Here the range is from 0 to infinite. So 0 to, you can take it as t. So for example, I am taking this point as t. I can integrate from 0 to t. See, this signal as time increases, its amplitude goes on decreasing, and at t tends to infinity, this amplitude is going to meet at 0 value. That is the inference of this signal. So as t tends to infinite, this range is from minus t to t. So I know this range is from 0 to t. So I can take it as 0 to t. Why? Because signal is from 0 to infinite. I am taking a finite value t. So 0 to t. E raised to minus x of t is nothing but e raised to minus t. U of t is 1 only. For t greater than 0 to, for t greater than this value, for u of t signal amplitude is always 1. That's why I am putting u of t is 1. Okay. So this is the resultant signal of multiplied by these two only. Okay. Exponential decay, you know what is exponential decay. You know what is this signal u of t. Okay. Multiplying these two, you get this signal only. Why? Because this here we have value, but here 0 into something is 0. That's why it is like this. You know what is u of t. U of t is 1 only always. So that's why u of t I am taking it as 1. So 1 I am putting. X of t is e raised to minus t in the u of t. U of t is 1 only. So x of t instead of x of t, e raised to minus t the whole square dt. E raised to minus t whole square is e raised to minus 2t into dt. Limit t tends to infinite, e raised to minus 2t integral. How to integrate it? E raised to minus 2t by minus 2, and the range is from 0 to t. So limit t tends to infinite, apply the upper limit and lower limit. So e raised to minus 2t instead of t, capital T, e raised to minus 2t by minus 2 minus e raised to minus 2 into 0, lower limit is 0, by minus 2. You are rearrange this, limit t tends to infinite, e raised to minus 2 capital T, this is capital T, by minus 2, this minus minus become plus, e raised to 0 is 1, this minus minus become plus, so plus 1 by 2. So limit t tends to infinite. So rearrange this, you will get 1 minus e raised to minus 2t by 2. You just change this sign. So apply limit t tends to infinite. So you can make this t as it is going infinite. So I am making this t as infinite. Okay. So e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus infinity by 2. What is minus infinite? E raised to minus infinite can be represented as 1 by e raised to infinite. So what is infinite? E raised to infinite is nothing but infinite only. So 1 by infinite is 0. Okay. So this term becomes 0. So the answer is 1 by 2. So energy is 1 by 2. What is the power? We know that power is equal to limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t into. So what is power? Limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t into limit t tends to infinity mod x of t. Sorry, limit minus t to t mod x of t the whole square dt. We already found this value. This is actually the energy. See, limit t tends to infinity minus t to t mod x of t the whole square dt. What is the value? 1 by 2. You just put 1 by 2. Instead of here, you just put 1 by 2 here. So limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t into, what is the value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 here. So you know as t tends to infinity. So this t become infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So infinite, 1 by infinite becomes 0. So P average is 0. Energy of the signal is 1 by 2. Average power is 0. Another question, find the power of the signal y of t. This is the signal y of t. They are given y of t. So you have to find out the power of the signal. How to find the power of signal? First you write the signal. This is one signal, this is another signal. So you can represent it as this is one signal and this is another signal. So P average is limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t. 1 is from minus t to 0. That's why I am representing it as minus t to 0. What is it? Amplitude is a. So a square dt. A square is mod x of t the whole square. That's why a square. X of t is a only here. Okay, this is x of t is equal to a. This is x of t is equal to a raised to minus t. Okay, it's the, see, this is x of t. So x of t equal to a, and this is, you can take it as x1 of t. Okay, 2 of t is equal to a raised to minus t. So what is x of t? X of t is x1 of t plus x2 of t. That means a plus a raised to minus t, like that. Okay, but I am taking these two signals separately, and I am finding the power of these two signals separately. Both are same only, no? So I am taking the signals separately. So P average is equal to limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t. First is a. So it is from minus t to 0. So minus t to 0, a square dt. Next is from 0 to t. Infinite I am taking a finite value. Why? Because I already told in the first definition, energy and power signal should be non-zero and finite. So I am taking a finite value t. So limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t, 0 to t. Why? Because this signal is from 0 to t. 0 to t, what is the signal? A raised to minus t. A raised to minus t the whole square. Why? Because mod x of t square. So a raised to minus t the whole square dt. So limit t tends to infinite 1 by 2t minus t to 0 a square dt plus limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t 0 to t. This can be represented, the whole square you can change it as a square into a raised to minus 2t dt. Okay. So again, limit t tends to infinity. This how to integrate this a square into dt. Integral dt is t only. So t from minus t to 0. Limit, apply limit and lower limit. So upper and lower limit is minus t to 0. Limit t tends to infinity. This a square we can take it outside. A square by 2t into this is e raised to minus 2t. How to integrate? e raised to minus 2t by minus 2, and it is from 0 to t limit. So limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t a square into, apply the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit is 0, minus lower limit is minus t, minus minus plus t. Limit t tends to infinity a square by 2t into, apply upper and lower limit, you will get like this, 1 minus e raised to minus 2t by 2. This already we find out in the previous question. So what is the value of this? From the previous question we found out. See the same question, no, e raised to minus t. In that question I find out its value. Okay. Its energy is 1 by 2, power is 0. So directly you don't need to find out again, you know. In the examination you have to find, next time you have to find out the power, but here I am taking it as 0 because in the previous question I found how to make how this signal becomes 0, how the power of this signal becomes 0, I already explained. So I am simply taking it as 0, but you have to write the entire steps. So I am making this as 0. Why? Because the power of this signal is 0. It's already I done in the previous lecture. So it is 0. So I have to find out the power of this. And so a square by 2t into t. Okay. So this t become cancel out. So a square by 2. Limit t tends to infinity. Is there any t times? No t times. So a square by 2. So the power of the signal is a square by 2.